If you are looking for the best 5 grain-free dog foods, then this video is for you. Now let me show you the best 5 grain-free dog foods. Number 1. Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Easy to Digest Dry Dog Food by Nature's Recipe. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 2. Diamond Naturals Skin and Coat Real Meat Recipe Natural Dry Dog Food with Wild-Caught Salmon 30 pounds by Diamond Naturals. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 3. Merrick Whole Earth Farms Grain-Free Dry Dog Food Recipes by Merrick. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 4. Rachael Ray Nutrish Just Natural Dry Dog Food, Limited Ingredient, Lamb Meal and Rice by Rachael Ray Nutrish. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 5. Crave Grain-Free Adult Dry Dog Food with Protein by Crave. Please check the description to buy the product. Thanks for watching. For more deals and updates, subscribe our channel.